Have you ever had a problem traveling without your favorite coffee? And if you do so, you need to bring all these two here with you to make a good cup of coffee. Today, not anymore. I am presenting the Pakt Coffee Kit. Alright, now let's talk about the Pakt Kit, what's inside. And inside there's a bunch of things here. Technically there's so many tools that come with. It's very good for your travel. There's first a kettle, a dripper, a server, and also a cup for your coffee. They also give you like a middle dripper paper, I guess. It's like replacing the V60 paper. But not sure how it works, but I will test with it. They also give you a spoon and tell you about the measuring, which is good. And yeah, that's the box, that's what's inside. And the first thing that we see from this case is the coffee dripper. It's a V60, I guess, and you can flip it like this. You can drip a coffee with it, and very easy to adjust and portable for travel. Next we have the lid. That's the server, I guess, for your cup here. And now we open it again. We have the lid, another lid. Yeah, definitely, this for brewing, you can have it. In the instruction they said you can put your coffee ground here and you brew it from here and then you drink it from here. And this is the amazing thing that you could have when you travel, is the kettle that you can do a pour over. It looks like this, and inside is like this. And this is a dual volt tag, which means you can brew it anywhere in the world as long as you have the adapter like this. Yeah, if they can transfer the voltage for you, that's enough, and you can use this kettle anywhere, anytime in the world. This is the kettle base. Don't put in the water, don't dump into it. It will break right away. I guess now we'll brew a coffee with it and see how it works. There's a beep sound, which means you already warm up your water. Oh, that's pretty quick. And of course, when you travel, you still need the portable scale for you to measure the coffee bean. And today we will use the Akaba coffee from the East Cafe in Thailand, and we'll see how they go. You want to brew coffee again today? Now let's test the coffee. It smells nice. Oh, very clean. I'm very impressed with the flavor. Yeah, definitely a good cup of coffee actually. Very nice touching feeling as well. Wow, I'm very happy with what I got. Here come to the conclusion. I think Pakt Coffee Kit did a very good job on dipping a coffee or pour over. I'm very impressed with how small it is. If you can see this, it's like smaller than the bottle of water, like this little. I actually like this filter, but I prefer the paper better. So next time I'll use the paper for it. I think it will give me a good coffee when I go travel for sure. And very easy, very simple and packable. And now we'll just flow everything back to the place. So yeah, pretty much it's very simple to use. I'm very happy to get this. The coffee that came out is pretty good too, and very simple to flip it, very simple to put it back. And you can put this in, start from here, and then the lid here. And for the kettle pass, please make sure that to let it cool down a little bit, because if it's hot, you cannot put things inside. It will dysfunction the kettle itself, so not recommended. And now I clean everything up. I'll put this in the back. put the lid in right here, and now put this one here. It's right here inside. Perfect. Here we go, a tool that could give you a very good coffee while you travel. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, leave it down here below, and see you in the next video.